Dow Jones, 5 months, parabolic straight up. Rally started November 1, 2023. We are overbought. There is a correction coming. We have gone up for the first quarter with double-digit returns. Since we've had this great rally, every bull market has a pullback. We have a big pullback coming very, very soon. Bull markets always have pullbacks. This is a parabolic Dow Jones straight up, people chasing the market. There is no fear. Tommy Trader will guide you through the pullbacks that are coming from this ferocious parabolic bull market that we are witnessing right here, right now, trader. Sign up with Tommy Trader, that free 5-day trial. It's there. Click on the link. Let's get started. You're going to need it. You got to know when to sell and how to buy the dips. Dow Jones overbought. Correction is right around the corner. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Become a member. Do what you need to do to power you.